Our mission today is to install a stainless steel liner down the chimney flue. We will be connecting it to the back of a Yoda wood stove with a T connection. Here at the shop, what we're going to do is roll out and relax the stainless steel pipe. We unroll the insulation. It's sprayed with an adhesive. We're attaching the liner to the insulation here. Tape is applied over the seam. Finally, pulling a wire mesh stocking over the entire length of it. This pipe is assembled. The liner's ready to go. Inside, what we have is a Yoda wood stove that we're going to be connecting to with a T connection on the back of the stove. We mount the chimney, go up the chicken ladder, and install the stainless steel pipe down the chimney. A T connection is fitted on the back of the stove. The stove is lifted back in position, and then is screwed in and fastened. Hearth protection is put in front of the wood stove. Our mission is accomplished.